In this video, we are going to see how to use Zoom tool to zoom into the screen record or any screencast. So, Zoom tool is a tool which is provided by Microsoft. It's a screen zoom tool, Zoom it. So, there are different shortcuts which you can use to begin the zoom it. So, you will have to go here and download Zoom it. I have already downloaded it. I'll go and extract it. After extracting, you double click on this tool, select a shortcut to trigger the zoom, increase or decrease the zoom levels, hit OK, and if I hit Ctrl 1 and move the mouse, I am able to zoom in. If I click on the screen, I can also annotate and select different sections of the screen. Hit escape and the zoom it tool will minimize. So here in the app tray, you can see the option for zoom it tool. So even if you close all the windows, you can go here, open this tool, change the settings as you want, and use zoom it. So this zoom it tool can be used while recording any screen, zooming into the screens for tutorials, and it's a really useful tool even when you are presenting. So I will attach the link to the zoom it tool in the description. You can go ahead and download the zoom it tool for your use. Thank you.